another day with the Ducati. And I'm actually looking forward to working on this now because it's been a while, pushing the last 2 sections of the bodywork left to do. We have the front fairing to add on here. Now I've had to buy alternative forks for this. That is a long story. Cut short, a company who I sent the original forks to be re-anodized in black actually lost my forks. How good is that? So I've had to buy new forks for that. There are some companies out there which I completely trust with any part at all, which do fantastic work, and you know who those are. Those are the ones that I shout from the rooftop on my channel. All the ones that I've done parts for me so far, I cannot fault them. But this company, just want to put it out there, they're not pittedforks.co.uk. Pittedforks.co.uk do the most stellar work ever. I have those on there from the Myco, and they're one of the trusted companies. Absolutely, I will hands down shout from the rooftops that they are one of the best companies I've dealt with at all. So it's not them that have lost my forks, don't worry. But yeah, I've had to get new forks. What I'm gonna do today, there's 2 parts I need to do for this job left. I need to do the front fairing, which is the headlight fairing here. I might roll up a few sequences in one here, so we've already got the plug and the split mold done for this. We need to create that out of carbon fiber now to match the rest of this body. And also I've got some headlights which I might 3D print a little bracket and put it inside just so I can set that up. So that is what we're doing today. And here is headlight fairing. I've cut it out ever so crudely, as you can see, still covered in dust, and actually there's a bit of release agent still on it as well, the PVA release agent, which I haven't taken off. That is how I'm imagining it to sit on there. Ever so neatly. It's just a little tuck in, as you can see sliding across there. It's just a little tuck in, and then you go around, and then you've got that little crease, that opening there. And as well, what I have to go on the top of that is a bit of orange plexiglass, which I need to cut to shape and put it on. So that's kind of one of my biggest worries, was that it might look a bit like Batman's ears. Bit of plexiglass at the top, just straighten out, and it won't be black. There'll be a bit of carbon fibre showing, but it won't be black. So that'll make it look less Batman-y. And this, which you may have seen, is the 3D printed light bracket that I've got. So the lights in the back there, and then we've got this nice little kind of concave shape going into the lights, and then they're just held in there. Perfect. And what that does is that then just fits ever so neatly inside there if I line it up, and then you just get a little glimpse of the light poking out. Let's see if I can connect a battery to that. That'd be cool. But that is it. The headlight fairing and 3D printed light bracket, all done. One step closer. I have been picking colours for this actually. The colours I'm kind of going for, of course, I've told a lot of you that the front side of it is going to be exposed carbon fibre, then it's going to be kind of lines going back, it's going to be like a dark grey, dark Porsche grey, then a light Porsche grey, and then going back to exposing the carbon fibre at the back again. And then the next step I need to do is create the carbon fibre for that belly pan, that kind of half fairing that's going in the front. And then we are done with the bodywork. That will be done next week. So the video on that will probably be the week after. And then we can actually spray it. And then that's a good step. Also, I have got some wheels on the way. The wheels are coming. They've been, again, so my wheels are coming. So unfortunately, and I will gladly name this company, but UPS have lost my wheels. They have no idea where my wheels are. So these are custom hubs and custom rims as well, specifically drilled for this job. So the company who I'm dealing with, which are Haan wheels, a supplier of XL rims, have kindly organised new wheels to come out to me. So again, I cannot fault that company at all. They are, again, another set of really good companies that I highly recommend. They have sorted me right out, even though UPS have lost my wheels. So they're coming on. Not too far away from that now. Once we've got the colour on, then we can get everything going. But until next week's video, which I think might be a BMW video, or it might be a front fairing video, I don't know. Let's see how it goes. But until next week, I'll see everyone then.